Hello guys, welcome back again to MJ Crypto. And recently I posted a setup for you guys that was actually Storage USDT on the Telegram group, and I promised I was going to drop the entire video on how to trade a divergence. A lot of you voted for that video, and that is the reason why we're actually compiling this right now. Now, what is a divergence and when does it occur? What kinds of divergences do we have? Okay, that's a big question. Now, a divergence occurs when the price of a moving asset, either up or down, moving in an uptrend or a downtrend, does not show the same movement with the oscillators. All right, that is what a divergence is. Simple as ABC. A lot of you have heard of hidden divergences. What is this? What is the concept behind this? Now, I'm telling you for a fact, a divergence occurs when the price of an asset does not move in the same direction of the oscillators. I'm talking about momentum. When you hear oscillators, we're actually talking about momentum. Now, let me make this very clear before we go in depth into this video. Price action is actually controlled by one phenomenon. All right, that phenomenon is volume or momentum. All right, now when the price of an asset is plunging upwards, always ensure you check the momentum at which it is moving to know if the trend is strong or weak. You don't just go into the market blindly like that. You're going to lose so much money, and that is the help of your 200 EMA, your moving average, your exponential moving average 200. Okay, it's going to show you a large projection if the trend is strong or if the trend is weak. But we're not going to go into that right now. We're going to talk about divergences. Now, we have two kinds of divergences. We have the regular divergence, and of course, we have the hidden divergences. Now, for the trade setup I gave, which was on Storage USDT, we're going to be looking at that in depth in this video right about now, and I will show you clearly how I spot these divergences. Okay, it's actually very simple. Now, if you have this knowledge in these critical times where we have a high volatility in the market, you can go into the market and trade easily without stress. All right, you can go into the market and actually trade easily without any hassle, and you're going to make profit. Now let's go into the video and watch me while I show you these things. Let's go, guys. So right about now, this is Stored USDT, and I'm going to be showing you how I made that amazing setup. It was actually very simple. I gave it free of charge on my Telegram group. So first things first, we want to plot our indicator, which is the RSI, and then we'll just click here, go over to indicator, so type arrow, or rather relative strength index. Just say relative strength index, and it's going to pop up here. Not the stochastic, the relative strength index updated. Just click on it and add it to the chart. Okay, now beautiful, we have our RSI set up here, and I'm not going to tell you how to do the RSI setup because you don't need it. Just impute it the way it is. Okay, don't change anything so you don't mess up the setup for this strategy. So we can see right here the RSI, and we can actually see there's a divergence. Now, from what I explained on what a divergence is, at this particular point, watch my mouse, at this particular point right here, you can see there was actually an uptrend. Look at the retracement from here to this point here, and then price went up here, meaning there was still an uptrend. All right, good. But you can see from the RSI, okay, which is the oscillator, you can see the price was actually here. Okay, you can see the price was actually here, but did not form another higher high. You can see it did not form a higher high, meaning price came here, retraced back here, and stopped here. Watch my mouse. Stop here. Just watch my mouse. Let my mouse guide you. Okay, price came here, retraced back here, and came up here. It could not form a higher high just the way the price action actually formed a higher high from this point here to this point. Okay, to this exact point. In other words, there was no simultaneous movement between price action and the oscillator. Price action was moving up, oscillator was not moving up. So you could see there was actually a divergence. So divergences like this can help you spot a possible reversal, and that was the exact same thing I said on my channel, all right, on my Telegram group, right? Beautiful. Now the second indicator we're going to be plotting is going to actually show you the exact spot the reversal is happening or the divergence is happening. So what is that indicator called? It's called a divergence indicator. We're just going to plot that right here. Go to indicators and then plot it. Divergence indicator. You can see right here, divergence indicator. So look at it right here, guys. This is it. You can see the divergence indicator. It's already shown you that this is a bearish divergence. Look at the line right here. Look at the line right here, guys. Look at it. Bear. You can see right here, bear. So at that point, we already got a what? Bearish divergence. And the price has actually what? Lost momentum. Now, when you say divergence, we're talking about price losing momentum in a trend. That is what divergence is. Price losing momentum or gaining momentum on a trend. As simple as ABC. All right. Basically, that is what the divergence is. Price is what? Gaining momentum or losing momentum on a particular trend. Simple as ABC. So you can see from here, you can actually what? See that the divergence is going to what? Last long, because this is the 1 hour time frame we're talking about. 1 hour time frame. Okay, good. So from this point, take a short position. You don't need to be scared, bro. You don't need to be scared. You're going to milk the market when you take a short position from this particular point right here. All right, from this point right here. And you are going to make so much profit, guys. This is for a fact. I'm telling you, you're going to make so much profit. Now let's go back and see if there was actually another divergence. You can see right here, another divergence. Look at it right here. You can see it. Another divergence. Now let's see if there was a bullish divergence. Good. Look at the bullish divergence right here. This occurred. Bull. And you can see when that happened, price began to plunge upwards. I've just given you guys a quick hack, guys. This is more than a strategy. This is a lifesaver. If you do appreciate the content I put out here every single day, sweat my ass out, click on the subscribe button right now so you don't get left out on updated updates like this. Okay? For a market such as this, you trade diversions. Okay? This is the best thing that can happen to you right now. So click on the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you get updated when I post amazing contents like this. And don't forget to share this amazing video with your friends and families. Okay? So guys, that is it for this strategy. It's a brilliant one. And you can find this strategy, or rather get coins or assets that will be having divergences in your top gainers and top losers. Look at your top gainers. Top gainers is showing you that a trend has started and the volume is increasing. Watch those particular coins for some time, and when they lose momentum, when you see a divergence, short the market. Do the opposite, go to your top losers. When you see that the coin has lost so much momentum, a time will come, buyers will step in. Check with this indicator. Once you see a bullish divergence, take a long position and you're good to go. You can't fail. Cheers, guys. I love you all so much. That is why I spend so much time creating these amazing contents for you. And I'm going to see you in the next video. Subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to join the Telegram group, because I post updated info right there most of the time, so you don't get left out. Okay? And by the way, BTC is still bearish. Don't get fooled. BTC is still very much bearish, and I'm going to be talking about that in the next video. Cheers. This is MJ Crypto. Peace out.